In this tutorial, we will see that how can loop video in CapCut in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to open this CapCut and here is a project. Now, to loop a video, here is a video. Simply click on this video. And at the bottom side, you will see here so many options. Drag it to left side until you see this duplicate button. So firstly, you have to duplicate it by just clicking on it. And it will make its duplicate. Its first video's ending point and its second video's starting point. Now to loop it, at the bottom side, you will find some more options. Firstly, we have to select a second video. Then you have to drag it into left side. And here you have to find this reverse. Click on that and it will start reversing this video. You have to wait a bit. You can see here, there is a beautiful loop here. Here is ending point of first video. And here is starting point of second video. So that's how you can loop video in CapCut in just few easy steps.